Day 7 of helping you to land a fully remote job in 30 days. Hey, my name's Michelle and I help people land fully remote work globally. Searching and applying for remote jobs is tough, but it's even harder when you don't optimize your time. Here are some tips to be more productive and effective in your remote job search. Establish a schedule. So if you're not working, it's important to have some kind of structure to your day. And if you are working, be realistic on how much time you can dedicate to your search and be consistent with this. Set goals and objectives. Your weekly objectives could be to apply to at least 10 jobs a week, and your monthly goal may be to have at least one interview scheduled, for example. Stay organised. Track your applications, keep a spreadsheet, or use something like Teal or Notion to really keep organised. Minimize distractions, silence notifications, mute your phone, and inform any housemates or family members about your work hours to really minimize interruption. Take a break. Take breaks throughout the day and at least one day off a week from your job search. Stay rebellious.